one thing that just came into my brain as I was creating that circle. I get a lot of questions from people that say, oh, my light painting isn't bright enough, like I can't see it, it's too dim. Couple things you can do. Camera settings, obviously number one. The settings I'm at right now are f16 ISO 100, and I have a super bright flashlight, right? So the brightness of your flashlight matters, the settings of your camera matter. But something else that you can do, if you've already adjusted your camera to where you want it, if you have the brightest light that you have, and that's all you have to use, right? The other thing that you can do is simply slow down your motion, all right? So I'm gonna go create a quick one so you can see what it looks like, and then I'll do one where I slow down the motion, and that'll show you the difference in the light effect that you're gonna get simply by slowing down the motion or speeding up the motion of the actual light source movement. Settings are going to be the same. Again, ISO 100, f16, shooting on bulb mode. They're like 10-second exposures, not even. So here, let me do two. I'm going to do a fast one, then I'll do a slow one. That was a quick one. Alright, so that was a quick one. Now I'll slow it down. You can see settings are the same. ISO 100, f16, bulb mode, and light is the same. Just going to slow the motion down. Here we go. There you go. Alright, so you can see the fast one, not nearly as bright. The slow one, a lot brighter. So just something to keep in mind, right? Every light painting is a recipe. You are putting in the ingredients that you have to work with, which are the lumens on your flashlight, the settings on your camera, and the speed at which you move. If your light paintings are not as bright as you want them to be, slow down your movement.